Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the TV input and using the best cable available. Plug the HDMI into the GPU output. If you use an adapter, know it can cap resolution and refresh rate. Once connected, power both devices and set the TV to the matching HDMI input. You should enable any TV, PC, or game mode to reduce scaling and processing. These actions reduce lag and prevent automatic rescaling, so you get a clean signal before adjusting resolution on the system. Now you go into the PC display settings and select the TV as the active display. Choose the TV's native resolution. This gives the sharpest image. Then match the refresh rate the TV supports. Mismatches cause black bars or flicker. If colors look off, use your GPU control panel to set color depth and RGB range. Once done, test with full-screen video or desktop wallpaper. If scaling looks wrong, change the scaling percentage, or use the GPU's custom resolution tool to finish by checking overscan or underscan on both the TV and the GPU, settings so edges align perfectly. Save any custom resolution profiles, and then reboot to ensure the TV and PC negotiate properly. If the display still looks stretched or black edges remain, swap HDMI ports or cables and verify the GPU driver is current. One key troubleshooting tip: if the TV refuses a resolution, force a lower, supported mode first, then step up gradually to the native value to stabilize the handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.